Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Samsung is reportedly making plans to launch a new budget cell phone, specifically the Galaxy A25 5G. Preliminarily, the smartphone regarded on Geekbench, which revealed many crucial specifications. Now, the Galaxy A25 5G is surfacing on the internet with its complete specs and estimable renders. According to a train by using Geekbench, the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G will release in 5 colors. These tones are blue, black, yellow, light blue, and blue. The record has revealed a great deal more than simply colorings. Let's test its 5 great functions. According to those licit renders, the smartphone should serve a water drop notch for the selfie digital camera. On the bottom, there's a thick chin, which we do and see now veritably constantly. From the returned, it seems the same as at most of the Samsung smartphones look currently. There's a triadic digicam setup, deposited vertically on the lower reverse. Likewise, you'll see rounded corners and slender bezels on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. That the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G is rumored to have a 6.5-inch FHD Super AMOLED perpetuity U display. This show is said to have a 120Hz refresh figure support and 1000 nits of peak brilliance. Its precursor, the Samsung Galaxy A24 also capabilities a 6.5-inch FHD AMOLED display that has 1000 nits of peak brilliance. Still, it only supports up to 90Hz refresh charge. The Exynos 1280 SoC is prognosticated to strengthen the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. This processor could be paired with over to 8GB RAM and 256GB garage. Although, it's also stated to offer 6GB RAM and 128GB storehouse. Moving on, the forthcoming Samsung smartphone is rumored to get 4 times of OS and 5 times of security updates. The renders reveal a triadic camera setup at the again. This might be a 50-megapixel OIS most important camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide detector, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. On the front, it would game a 13-megapixel selfie shooter. The Samsung Galaxy A25 5G will most by all liability be geared up with a 5000 mAh battery. Further, this battery may want to help a 25-watt speedy charging. Now the most pivotal query is, when will it launch? The closest answer we've is 2024. The release date or launch timeline has now not been discovered yet. Still, we're looking forward to it veritably snappily, so live tuned.